welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, is none other than the number 98. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is none other than the number 98. If you would like to see the previous 97, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And of course, guys, this collection is from none other than editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the family dining room during the Victorian age. There you can see an example of it there. With the curtains, the really nice furniture. And of course, down here it lists all of the pieces and parts of the room above. And over here it talks about dishes and that sort of thing, like different plates and things that they would use. Wow, that one's really nice. I really like this one. And here, guys, it teaches you how to connect these two wooden pieces, which we got in this number, which I will show you in just a moment, guys. And it walks you through how to attach these pieces to the dollhouse. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to make this dollhouse and we will build it together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to do it because we're nearing the end of this collection. For what I hear, there's only 120 numbers in this collection, and this is the number 98, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss building the dollhouse. I'm pretty excited about it. After so long finally being able to build it, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to do it with you guys. And well, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our new addition to our dollhouse. This will be, guys, for the windows and the doorways to add a bit of decoration. It's a really nice solid wood. But at the same time is really lightweight. And later, of course, we're going to be painting these white. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to show you the other one now. This number came with 2 of these. Here's the back. And I guess it will go something, or maybe these are different parts, I guess. But for what I see in the pictures of the dollhouse, these will be for decoration. I'm pretty excited about it. For what I hear, we are nearing the end of the collection. This is the number 98. And there are going to be 120 for what I've heard. So we're nearing the end, guys. So make sure to stay tuned because we're going to be building the dollhouse. So you guys are want to see that. Anyway, I kind of like this number. I can't wait to add these to the dollhouse. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Poses Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.